Welcome. I'm here to talk to you about Herpetic Whitlow. We're going to start with the definition. It's an infection created by the herpes simplex virus, HISV. The infection produces a painful wound called a whitlow on the fingers. Caused by the herpes simplex virus, as I said, herpetic whitlow occurs mostly on the fleshy part of the index finger or thumb. Sometimes herpetic whitlow can develop on the toes. There's a video on the precautions that must be taken, but we're going to pass on the applications in medicine. There might be certain factors that which trigger recurrent HSV infections, such as herpetic whitlow, including fever or recurring illness, excessive stress, hormonal imbalance, excessive sun exposure, surgery, physical, mental, or emotional trauma. The pros and cons that we're going to stabilize here are the next. As pros in this is that nowadays we know the cause and we can treat it. Also now we know many factors that can trigger it, but the cons are still that it's pretty disgusting for everyone to see or have it, and there's no vaccination and no cure at all. Just a way to treat the symptoms. The issue applied in Ecuador. This is a misunderstood problem. Many people don't know about this. They don't know what they have on their finger or toe. It's often confused with other lesions, and people think this is due to bad cleanliness, which is not. It's just a virus that causes this on the tissue. It's like an abscess on the skin that we have said. And the conclusion for this exposition is that herpes simplex virus can remain inactive in the nerve cells for the time and may not cause symptoms. In some cases, people never have recurrent whitlow. In others, whitlows often return and require regular treatment. It is best for people to discuss their symptoms and treatment options with a qualified healthcare professional. Together they work out a plan that fits the person's individual needs and makes treatment as comfortable as possible. And finally, we have a video there for Herpetic Whitlow with the advices that are given by a doctor. Thank you for your attention.